Hello, children. Welcome back to today's English class. In my previous video, I have given you some basic ideas to write few sentences on any topic, and after joining those sentences, I have also taught you how to frame a paragraph. That means I have tried to develop your writing skill through my last video. I have told you in the last class, that means previous class, that I will discuss with you some other topic. So let us start. Today I will not directly tell you how to write a paragraph. That means I will not answer the questions for you. In fact, I will help you to build your thinking skill. How will I help you to build your thinking skill? As I will ask you to write or frame some questions related to a topic, and you have to think and frame some questions and also answer those questions. Now, why must you develop your thinking skill? You must develop your thinking skill because if you write something or before writing something, you need to think, what are you going to write? If you don't think, you will not be able to assemble your ideas and write it down by relating one sentence with the other, one after the other. Yes, today I am going to tell you some rules of paragraph again. What is a paragraph? A paragraph explains or describes something. A paragraph is made up of sentences. A paragraph should have at least 5 to 6 sentences. So, the topic of our today's discussion is summer season and best friend. First, we will discuss about the topic summer season. So, at first, we will frame some questions related to the summer season. But children, before framing the questions, can you tell me what are the things that come to your mind about summer? Yes, some things that may come to your mind about summer are hot, fan, AC, ice cream, mango, cold water, umbrella, cotton clothes, etc. Am I right, children? Yes, I know I am right. Now, let us quickly frame some questions. Okay, I'll frame some questions for you, and with your own ideas, you think and you too frame some questions of your own. So, some questions related to summer seasons can be: what are the summer months? How do you feel in the summer months? What do you like to eat or drink in summer? What do you like to do in summer? Next, name the fruits or vegetables that you get in this season. Types of clothes you must wear in this season. Some festivals that are celebrated in the season summer. And the last question from my side is, do you like this season? If you like it, if it's yes, then why? If you don't like it, if it is no, then also you have to give a reason why. Now see, children, after framing so many questions, we have Some idea what to write about summer? Yes, but before framing this question, I think some of you had some idea and some of you were just blank. But now, after framing this question, I think you all have got some or the other idea to write at least 5 to 6 sentences on the topic summer season. Now, children, tell me, with these questions, can I only write summer season? Or I can also write about some other seasons? Yes, you are right. Now, with the same questions, I can also write about some other seasons like winter, monsoon. Like name the summer months, so same way you will name the winter months and monsoon months. What type of clothes you wear out here also for winter, and for monsoon you can write what type of clothes you wear. Same related flowers and vegetables, festivals. So you can answer for all the seasons. It is not that you have only framed the questions for summer season. That means with that you can only write about summer. So you can also think and write about the other two seasons. Yes, now let us move on to the next topic, that is best friend. And in the same way like summer season, I'll frame some questions related to best friend. The first question of this topic is name of your best friend. How old is she or he? Where does your best friend, he or she, lives? In which school does your friend read? Next, how does your best friend help you? Next, how do you help your best friend? And same way, how does your best friend helps you? Next, what do you and your best friend do together? Is she or he helpful to you only, or she is equally helpful to others? Last, why is he or she your best friend? That means you have to give reason. Now first question, what is the first question? Name your best friend. You have to write the name of your best friend. You have to write how old is she. That means you have to write her age, 6 years, 7 years or 8 years, that way. Where does he or she lives? If it is a boy, you will write the name of the boy. If it is a girl, you will write the name of the girl. Lives at so and so place. Next, where does your friend read? The next question. So if your friend is reading in some other school, you write the name of your friend's school, and if he or she is reading with you in the same school, you write down the name of the school. How does your best friend help you? So how your best friend helps you? What are the things that you are unable to do and your friend is helpful to you in? And how do you help your best friend? So only your friend is not helping, you are also helping your best friend, but how do you do that? You have to write. Now you and your best friend, you all like to stay together? Yes. So when you all stay together, what are the things that you like to do? That means it can be you like to play, you like to draw, you like to share your tiffin together, and many other things. Is your best friend only helpful to you or also helpful to others? That means if he or she is good, then will be helpful to others. So you have to notice that, and you have to write that your best friend is only helpful to you or also to other boys and girls. He or she is helpful. Now, that person, suppose for example, I have written any name, Rani. Suppose Rani, I'm writing about my best friend Rani. Now, why is Rani your best friend? That means you like something in her, that is why she is your best friend. Yes, it can be she is so helpful to you, that is why she is your best friend, or she is very loving and kind to animals, that is why she is your best friend, or she is always helpful and kind to others, that is why he or she is your best friend. So there can be many reasons of that particular boy or girl being your best friend. So the last question, why is he or she your best friend? So you think and you answer. Okay, so I think children, with these help of questions, with the help of questions, I think you all can write down at least 6 to 7 sentences and frame it into a paragraph. Isn't it? Yes, I know you all can do that. So, the questions that I have discussed with you about summer and best friend, try to gather some more questions and write answers of your own and join them into a paragraph. Now, children, tell me how many of you can write a paragraph on any topic given to you. So, how will you tell me this? Please let me know in the comment box. If you can write with the help of my video, then you say yes, and still if my video is not very clear to you and you cannot write any topic of any unknown topic given to you, then if you cannot write, you say no in the comment box and let me know. But I know, children, I am sure that I can feel that all of you can write with the help of the video and the message that I have tried to give you. Thank you and have a great day.